Last month, we brought you the all-new 2022 Honda Civic sedan. Big surprise, coming in behind us is the new 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback. And yes, it does come with a manual transmission. Here in Boost Blue Pearl, a new color for the Civic. We saw it before on the Civic Type R in the 10th generation, but you can get it on the hatchback here for the 2022 model. It's looking cool. Take a look at this liftback. Completely new design for the rear end. You still get the new Civic badging. Bring it open here, very lifty, looking very nice. And of course, all the style you love of a hatchback design. This model is coming in both the 2-liter naturally aspirated and the 1.5-liter turbo, same horsepower figures as the sedan, but you can get the manual transmission in both the base Sport and the top-level Sport Touring right off the bat for the 11th Gen Civic. We're very excited about that, and stay tuned to Winding Road to see when we get a POV test drive of this manual transmission. Other than that, the hatchback is doing the same 4-trim walk as the sedan, so starting off at the bottom Sport and going all the way up to the Sport Touring, you're going to see similar equipment, including a 12-speaker Bose audio system for the Sport Touring, as well as other features like the digital cockpit gauge cluster, wireless device charging, and a whole suite of Honda safety equipment. Not only is the back of the car different, but the hatchback gets a slightly different grille design as well. We think it looks neat, sharp, and we're really excited to get behind the wheel of the 2022 Honda Civic Sport Hatch.